Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and opening the target photo. Choose the highest resolution so you retain detail while editing. Once open, crop only if necessary to avoid extra cloning later, then zoom to 1:1 for precision. Make sure the healing tool is visible in the bottom toolbar. If it's hidden, reveal it from the toolbar menu. This first step matters because working at 1:1 prevents accidental softening of surrounding skin and keeps texture intact for natural results. You now switch to the healing tool and choose spot mode for single pimples. This preserves nearby skin. Once selected, adjust the brush size so it's slightly larger than the blemish and lower the feather to maintain skin texture. Tap the pimple and inspect the auto-selected source. If it looks wrong, drag the source to a better patch of matching texture and tone. Repeat for each spot, moving the source to nearby skin. Because local matches, avoid mismatched color or pattern artifacts. You finish by switching to heal mode when an area needs texture blending or when spot leaves edges. After fixing all pimples, zoom out and scan the face. If any spot appears overly smooth, reduce healing opacity to reintroduce natural pore detail. Once satisfied, export a full resolution copy. If you see halos or color shifts, undo the last edits, pick a closer source sample, and reapply. This troubleshooting step fixes the most common mismatch problems and keeps the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.